Hey guys, Mike here at Musk Agency. Today I would like to share with you how you can rank multiple GMBs for one business. Easy ranking secret. Check this out. Okay guys, so clients are always asking me, how can I rank in multiple locations with my GMBs if you have more than one store or more than one location? So I did my due diligence and come to find it's a lot easier than most people make it out to be. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And the first thing I like to do is use big companies like Starbucks as a reference. So what I'll do is I'll just go into the Google search bar, look up Starbucks, scroll down, I'll go ahead and click on their website here, and this what pops up here. It looks like a location page. All right. So yeah, so when you click on their website, it pops up a location page. Now, what it looks like they're doing is they're making a location page and using the address as the title for that page. So for example, if my address is 1212 Duncan Street in St. Petersburg, Florida 33714, this will be the title of my location page. All right. So you can actually see right here that says starbucks.com store locator /store/14. That's the store location, I assume. Park Boulevard, US Highway 19 7350. And this tells you exactly where their location, their brick and mortar store is. So when you go into your WordPress site, this is what you're going to want to title the the address, the physical address of your location, exactly how they're doing it here. And then you just build out the page. So they have their logo, a menu page, rewards page, gift cards page, find a store. If you look on your left-hand side here, has their address again, Park Boulevard and US Highway 19 North. Their store hours. They also even have a get directions link, right? Check out their hours right here. Their hours right here today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you notice how exactly they line it up here, it's exactly how they have it listed on their Google My Business page. Okay? If you take a look to your right, all this is right here, this map is their GMB location map. Okay? Alright, so when you have multiple locations, you're going to use multiple GMBs with each address dedicated to that GMB. Alright? But for your first store with your first GMB, you want to have that link back to your home page. Okay, and it's your second GMB, which is where you take the address from your location page that you built out, and on your second GMB where it says website URL, go ahead and use that location page, which you should have titled the physical address of your store. All right, and that's what you're going to use. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that, and I'll just use my GMB as a reference. So go to your apps here. Go to your Google My Business account. Okay. And for this one here, so as you can see, I'm going to go to info. Actually, no, let me use my other GMB for a better reference. Okay, so if you notice, my Musk Agency GMB, if I scroll down to where it says muskagency.com, I link this back to my home page. So if I click on this, it takes me right to my website. If I type in Okay, so this is Musk Agency. This is my digital marketing, internet marketing business. And if I click into Google on my website, it links it exactly to my page here. Okay, so this is my page, and this is what your first GMB what you want it to look like. Link it back to your first home page, right? It's a good looking website, right? Okay. So back in the GMB, if you wanted to create another GMB and you have a different location and you wanted to use your physical address, you would do the same thing, right? But you're building out that page that we talked about earlier. You're building out a location page, and when you title it the physical name of your address, you're just gonna take that website URL, copy and paste it, and you're gonna go down to your website, and you just enter it in right here, and that'll be your location page. So in Google, it's gonna pop up as a location page. Guys, as always, this is Mike at Musk Agency. Please, guys, just stay safe. I know the coronavirus still isn't over. It's still in very much effect. Make sure you spend a lot of time with that family. Kiss and hug them. Anything you guys need to do. I'm going to leave my telephone number and email down in the link below. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to go over any questions you may have. As always, guys, we're in this together, and we'll see you soon.